Hi everybody, in this episode we're going to visit a farm. Are you ready? Let's go!
Hey everybody, it's me, Captain Crabclaw.
And Captain Bobbo. We're on our way to a farm to learn about farm animals. Do you want to come with us? Let's go!
Woohoo! Captain Bobbo, there's a big gate in the way. How do we get through?
There's a little keypad on the side here. You just have to type in the special code, and then it'll open.
Oh, I see. I got this. Uh-oh. It's making funny noises.
Did you put the right code in, Captain Crabclaw?
Uh-oh, I don't think so. What's the code?
It says it should just be B-O-B-B-O. Captain, just Bobbo. Can you just type in B-O-B-B-O? That should work.
I put in Crabclaw.
Try again.
Okay, let's go. Woohoo! Is that the police behind us? Hello, officer.
Captain Bobbo, Bobbo, let's go. Captain Bobbo, B-O-B-B-O. Captain Bobbo, Bobbo's Adventure Show. Captain Bobbo, Bobbo, let's go.
Captain Bobbo, what you up to over there?
Today, we're playing a game with some sheep. Actually, 2 rams. We're playing hide and seek with them. They are somewhere in this area. We've got to find them. Moving from here over to here. Sounds like fun, doesn't it? Problem is, we can't find them. Captain Crabclaw, could you get your drone in the sky and see if we can see them from up there?
Oh, I don't know. I usually use the drone to find treasure, not sheep. But I think we can make an exception.
Awesome. Let's do this.
Woohoo! Once we get the sheep, can we swap them for treasure?
We'll have to ask the farmer. Here we go. Captain Crabclaw's going to put the drone in the sky. How do drones work, Captain Crabclaw?
You'd push the on button, and it should take off. Uh-oh. I think the battery's low. Oh, you've got to be kidding me. We've got a drone fail. Gotta quickly charge it.
He normally crashes them. This time he didn't even get it off the ground.
We can charge it up with brain power. The remote will ask us a question and we have to answer it. Looks like the remote wants us to sound out the word drone. Let's do this. Drone. Drone. We did it. Now it wants us to spell it. Let's do it. You ready? D-R-O-N-E. Drone. We did it. It's working.
Hey, there it is.
Oh, wow. That went so high. Can you see any sheep?
Oh, I don't know. Not yet. I'm really just looking for treasure. Do I have to look for sheep?
Yeah, we're looking for sheep.
Okay, you go find the sheep and I'll tell you where they are in the sky.
I'll follow the drone. You send the drone and I'll follow it.
Okay.
Sounds great.
Good luck.
See ya. Wow. This is so much fun. I think this is the path that the sheep have taken. I was just running along and I found this big hole. I wonder who lives down there. I wonder if it's a fox. I think foxes live in holes. Anyway, let's keep going. This way. I found the sheep. Here they are. They're so funny. Do you know what noise a sheep makes? They go meh. Are you rounding them up?
Yeah,
Is it working?
I think so.
How's it going with that crab claw on the levers?
Oh, it's pretty tough, but I haven't crashed it yet.
Awesome.
Oh. Oh.
A few moments later.
Uh-oh. I think I just crashed the drone. Oh. No, not again. That's the second time this week. Oh well.
Now we've got all the sheep in the pen, we can separate out the boys and the girls. The girls are going to go in their paddock and the boys are going to have their own paddock. Isn't that exciting? I hope we can do it.
Can't wait to see the captain wrangle some sheep. Woo-hoo. You ready for some Bobbo cam? Let's go.
It's going to be tough. Are you ready? Let's do it. Oh, he's coming, he's coming. Come on, guy, this way. Woo! I'm exhausted. All right. Whew. Well done. Two, three, four.
Meanwhile, in our universe.
Did you know that sheep's wool is really soft and can be made into clothing? Isn't that amazing? And sheep's wool is naturally resistant to germs, which means it often smells nice and fresh. Australia produces the most amount of wool in the whole world, nearly 300,000 tonnes a year. Girl sheeps are called ewes and boy sheeps are called rams. And does anyone know what little baby sheeps are called? That's right, they're called lambs, and they're very cute. Do you know what a sheep's favourite swimming costume is? That's right, it's a bikini.
Captain Crabclaw, what are you doing now?
Oh, I'm trying to find my crashed drone. Keep an eye out, see if we can find it. Oh, oh. Nearly tripped over a stick. Look at this. What's that?
It looks like your treasure hunting drone. Is that the one?
Oh, I think so. Let's have a look. Oh, look, I think it's still okay. Oh, a little bit dusty. Is it working? I think it is. Look at this. Good as new. Well, maybe not as good as new, but it still works. Where are we now, Captain Bobbo?
We're in the chicken coop. Look, there's some young chickens over here.
Oh, wowee.
Hey, little chicken guys. Can you see them down there? These chickens are hungry. Can you see 2 black chickens, 1 white chicken? Oh, aren't they cute?
Wow. Should I go in and have a look?
I don't know. Do you think you're going to scare them?
Probably.
You scare most animals.
I think it's the claw. Oh,
Whoa. That scared the animals.
yeah, that's the claw.
Hello. You want some food? I don't think those ones want any food. We'll leave those alone. Happy chickens.
Hey, Captain Bobbo, what are we looking for now?
We're looking for little baby guinea fowl. They're going to be so cute. Hopefully we can get close to them. Let's go. It might have to be quiet. we found some geese, and I've got some goose food. Hello, geesey geese. Would you like some food? Do you know what noise a goose makes? It goes honk honk. What colour are their feet and beaks, Captain Crabclaw?
Oh, they've got an orange beak and orange feet.
Oh, that rhymes. Can you spell feet, Captain Crabclaw?
Sure can. F-E-E-T.
Well done. And whilst we're spelling, we should probably spell sheep as well, since we've seen so many of them today. Do you want me to do this one, Captain Crabclaw?
Yeah.
S-H-E-E-P. Sheep.
Amazing.
Captain Crabclaw's found his favourite little dog.
Hey, look, it's Billy the dog.
Hi, Billy.
Woo-hoo. Billy loves the crab claw.
What a clever dog you are. Can you get Captain Crabclaw's hat for him? Well done. Good girl.
Billy!
Good girl, Billy. He really loves that dog.
That was quite exhausting. Oh well, if you want to watch more of our videos, don't forget to spell Bobbo's name. B-O-B-B-O! Captain Bobbo, let's go! Thanks for watching, everybody! Oh, I need a holiday after this. Oh my goodness! Captain Bobbo!